Go.
Don't put you on a good. Alright. This is
I'm in the light a little bit more.
the world's coolest fucking bike check ever. Okay. Alright, well, front, we got Shadow Voltage bars and black 30-inch, 9-inch up, stolen grip. ODI bar ends, the dumbest fucking stem in the world. Got Odyssey fork bolt, Odyssey headset, Odyssey R-Series forks.
And then the DHL tire with a stupid front wheel. I don't like it at all.
We got a stolen Thermalite peg. We got right here. Some fucking ass Thermalite pedals. I don't fucking like it all. Mechanic 48 spline cranks with a Shadow crank and bone sprocket. Colt single link. Stupid ass fucking chain. Animal PC bottom bracket in blue. Don't know why I got it. Right here we got volume alpha seat with a Shadow wedge seat post. Don't know why I got it in blue.
Back here we got this stupid left-hand drive Animal ASN tire
With I don't know what kind of fucking rim it is, but a G-Sport ratchet hub, female and white. There you go. What?